Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Wilderness Tamed video with me, your host, John Grundy. And I have woken up in the Netherlands. And I am here to do some scything with a group of scythers. A day of fun activities, which I hope to capture on film as much as I can. I'm currently on the decking outside the tiny house that I've stayed in tonight, owned by some friends of mine. They're listed on Airbnb. I shall put a link in the description below. It is fabulous. I'll pan you around and let you have a look. I'm in Holland. Isn't that weird? That's where I was sitting to do my intro. Nice little deck, just surrounded by trees and bird life. Little paths leading off into the woods in all directions. Who's this little chap? A Netherlands red squirrel, of all things. Apparently there's a few of them in the woodlands here. Always nice to see. You step in the door, there's a two-person dining table, sofa, little wood-burning stove, kitchen, and the bathroom, and then the bedroom. So I'm about to go and join my friends for breakfast, and then we're heading out for scything. So I'm recording this way. Hi! So I'm here with Bob, who's just hidden. So here we are with the scythe brigade of, how do you pronounce it, Bob? Groningen?
Groningse Scythe-brigade.
Them guys, yeah. Who are just a volunteer group looking after green spaces around the town and around the area. This is a little forest garden specifically set up for bees. It used to be a plant nursery. They planted some trees, they've got some hives at the bottom end, and the team comes down a couple of times a year to mow the grass and the wildflowers. So there's a lot going on, kids tidying up, people mowing, lots of tea and cake going on as well, which is always good. But there's a great community effort, so it's nice to have been invited here and to get involved in helping out in return for tea and cake, obviously. Otherwise, it's just not worth turning up. You can see the Dutch strekel, or strekel, hanging out my pocket there, which is something they use here instead of whetstones, or along with whetstones. Using a mix of Austrian snaths and Dutch snaths. I've got an Austrian one, kindly lent to me by one of the team. The lady in front of me in the red t-shirt is using a Dutch snath. See, the handles are angled away from the mower, so opposite to the Austrian ones. The Dutch have a slightly different mowing technique, well, certainly to me, and I think most people have a slightly different or / better mowing technique than I do. I'm just flailing about, but So you can see the gentleman behind me is using a strickle, or yeah, strickle on his blade. Sounds a bit coarser than a whetstone. There's no water on the strickle, and it's quite a coarse sort of grit impregnated end to the stick. So it does make a slightly coarser sound, a bit harsher sounding than a whetstone on the blade. I guess it's what you're used to. Certainly keep their blades super sharp. So this is my Padawan Bob, who hasn't mown for 4 years, but he's actually doing some really nice mowing. Yes, as you'll probably notice, there's a lot of standing around and chatting going on amongst the Netherlanders. But hey, that's what it's all about. It's just a nice opportunity to socialise, get together with your friends, and enjoy a nice day out, with the occasional bit of mowing in between chatter. And if you can con some idiot from England to come over and do all the work for you, all the better. Yeah.
Ja, mijn oude vertering van de vorige eeuw. En zo mooi ermee maaien. Hè?
Well, tickle my strickle. This kindly gentleman gave me a quick demo on how to use a strickle on the blade. They're very accommodating, these Frieslanders. Yeah, interesting technique. Sounds a bit coarse to my delicate ears, though. So yes, I do seem to have gathered a bit of a crowd. There's a couple of chaps to the left there, a lady in front, and I was aware of half a dozen folks standing behind me whilst I was mowing. I want to see a dangle in operation. This is a Dutch product.
Wow. Dit is echt heel handig. Ja.
So easy.
Look, the different in color. That
Yeah.
is together. This is normal.
Yeah.
It's more blue.
Smooth. Yeah, yeah. Traditional peening on an anvil and then peening on a dangle. No. I might move to Canada and become a lesbian and chop wood in the forest. So there you have it. A splendid weekend spent in the Netherlands. Bit of scything, a bit of wood turning, not very successfully. Quite a lot of eating, bit of wandering around, and altogether, yeah, really nice. Hope to get it to a few more of those next year. There is an advantage to having some good friends who will look after me. But it's an open invitation from the Scythe Brigade to anybody who was, certainly anybody who was at the Somerset gathering this year in June. Yeah, I'm sure in the future there'll be a nice little trade-off, nice little exchange going back and forwards between Netherlands and the UK. And let's hope that extends beyond those two countries and further into Europe and even beyond. Is there anything beyond Europe? Yeah, apparently there is. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.